Did you know your handwriting could be holding you back from true confidence and even limiting your income potential? Your writing reflects your mindset and self-belief. Let's dive into 3 handwriting styles that may be blocking your success and how to transform them. First up is small and cramped handwriting. When you write tiny letters, it signals hesitation and a fear of being noticed. It's like saying, I don't deserve space. Try writing a bit larger with open spacing and feel your confidence grow. Next, let's talk about an irregular baseline. If your words rise and fall unevenly, it shows emotional ups and downs. To regain balance, write on ruled paper and focus on steady lines. A stable writing style leads to a stable mindset. The third style is weak pressure. If your pen barely touches the paper, it reflects fear and doubt. To shift this, press your pen firmly with purpose. Own your message and feel the strength in your words. Remember, your handwriting is your energy in motion. By changing your strokes, you can change your story. Small adjustments can rewire your subconscious for confidence and income growth. So pick up your pen today and start rewriting your success.